severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clinton, or near Beloit, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Williams Bay, Clinton, Darien, Como, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Tiffany, Millard, Avalon, Delavan Lake, Fuggs Hollow, Lima Center, Abels Corners, and Tibbetts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.